एपिसोड काफ़ी फ्लेवरफुल और धमाकेदार होने वाला है, क्योंकि आज हम आए हैं ट्राई करने के लिए साउथ इंडियन नॉन-वेज डिशेस। जी हाँ, नॉन-वेज एंड साउथ इंडियन डिशेस, और ये ट्रू होने वाला है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ चेट्टीनाड टिफिन। सो वी आर एट चेट्टीनाड टिफिन पवई आउटलेट। लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड ट्राई आउट द ऑथेंटिक चेट्टीनाड non-veg dishes. We are here at Chettinad Tiffin and this is a wonderful table. Look at the amazing ambience. I'm already feeling like I am in South India. There is light traditional music also going on जो मुझे एकदम traditional vibe और feeling दे रहा है, and I'm already feeling so energetic. So let's have a look at the menu. Look at the pictures. So many dishes, इतना variety South Indian non-veg में. I'm already so confused. Let me call for some professional help. We have the owner of the outlet, Shri, over here, who is going to guide us through the menu. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Welcome to the channel.
Yeah.
And please tell us something about Chettinad cuisine.
So Chettinad cuisine is very spice oriented. People don't really correlate non-vegetarian food and South Indian food. So that is a part of my culture that I wanted to introduce to Mumbai and bring it forward to people of our generation. So we have the Chettinad cuisine here. Very spice driven, very peppery food, and it's a very palate pleasing food. Everyone can try it and most people love it. So today we are going to start, I would suggest, with the Kothakari dosai. So Kothakari is basically your minced chicken which is folded inside your dosai in a masala dosa form, and it is served with your salna and chutney. So instead of sambar with the non-veg food, we serve the salna. So that is a gravy form which you can have with your chutney and your dosa. So I will bring that for you first.
Sounds interesting. Let's start with that and then we will proceed.
Yeah, sure.
और South Indian में non-veg होता है, मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था. This is the first time I'm coming across South Indian non-veg food, because एक stereotype बना हुआ है कि इडली डोसा सारे veg और healthy dishes होते हैं. So I'm very excited for this and looking forward for the great dishes. So let's begin. Start करते हैं आज का हमारा lunch with our welcome drink, which is the zesty panagam. Basically इसमें tamarind, lemon और बहुत सारे spices हैं, तो ये बहुत चटपटा होने वाला है. This is usually served in the South Indian temples. It is basically a cooler, और मुंबई में तो गर्मी बहुत पड़ती ही है, तो when you are coming here you can definitely check out this. And when you are coming here there are a lot of shakes, coolers and lattes also available, so definitely check them out. Let me try this one out here. क्वाइट रिफ्रेशिंग. लेमन और जो टैमरिंड है बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग फ्लेवर दे रहा है, टेस्ट दे रहा है. सो आई थिंक आई विल हैव दिस विद माई मील एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट टाइम. Here we have it, our first dish, चिकन कोत्तुकरी डोसा. इट लुक्स ऑसम, और जो इसका फ्रेग्रेंस आ रहा है इट्स क्वाइट यूनिक. यहाँ पे हमको बहुत सारी चटनीज भी दी गई है. वी हैव द कारा चटनी ओवर हियर. कम क्लोजर, आई विल शो यू. वी हैव द कोकोनट चटनी ओवर हियर, एंड देन वी हैव द सालना करी ऑल्सो ओवर हियर. सो बेसिकली ये एक डोसा है, नॉर्मल जैसा हम डोसा खाते हैं वही डोसा है. अंदर मिन्स्ड चिकन या चिकन कीमा टाइप का अंदर मिल जाएगा. तो चलिए इसको टेस्ट करते हैं, आपको बताते हैं कि एक्चुअली ये टेस्ट कैसा करता है. सॉफ्ट, स्पाइसी, फुल ऑफ फ्लेवर्स, एंड द फ्लेवर्स आर रियली वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल ट्रेडिशनल जो हम खाते हैं, उससे काफ़ी अलग है. ये बहुत ही यूनिक इसके फ्लेवर्स हैं. अब इसको हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कारा चटनी के साथ. अगर आप कारा चटनी के साथ खाओगे तो काफ़ी टैंगी स्टाइल का आपको फ्लेवर मिलेगा. लेट मी ट्राई दिस विद द कोकोनट चटनी. कोकोनट चटनी इज़ माइल्ड, तो इसका जो फ्लेवर है बहुत बैलेंस कर रहा है. इसका स्पाइसी फ्लेवर है, स्पाइसी फ्लेवर्स को माइल्ड फ्लेवर के साथ बैलेंस हो जाता है. नाउ लेट मी ट्राई दिस सालना ग्रेवी. वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर्स अगेन, काफ़ी यूनिक फ्लेवर है इसका भी. और इसको डोसा के साथ खा के एक बार देखते हैं. वाओ, जस्ट टू गुड. अगर आपको एक्चुअल फीलिंग चाहिए, एक्चुअली पता करना है ये टेस्ट कैसा करता है, तो आपको आना पड़ेगा चेट्टीनाड टिफ़िन पवई आउटलेट में। और अगर आप नहीं आ सकते तो आप घर पे ऑर्डर करके भी इस चीज़ को ट्राई कर सकते हो। सो लेट मी एन्जॉय दिस डिश एंड इसके बाद हम ट्राई करेंगे कुछ और अमेजिंग डिशेस। चिकन कोत्तुकरी डोसा खा के तो मज़ा ही आ गया और वो वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स बन चुका है। उसी के बाद यहाँ पे हमारी सेकंड डिश आ गई है जो कि है चेट्टीनाड चिकन। और ये लेग पीस को देखिए, देख के ही मज़ा आ रहा है, वाव। उसी के साथ यहाँ पे हमको सर्व किया गया है मलाबार पराठा। ये लेयर्ड पराठा देख के ही मज़ा आ रहा है, मुंह में एकदम पानी आ रहा है। एंड ऑब्वियसली वी हैव आवर कोकोनट चटनी हियर। द प्रेजेंटेशन इज एक्सीलेंट। यहाँ पे देयर इज अ ग्रीन चिली ऑल्सो। एंड प्रेजेंटेशन की जो मैं बात कर रहा था, आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे बनाना लीफ के ऊपर खाने को सर्व किया गया है। ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे प्लेट है ताकि खाना इधर उधर जाए ना, बट ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल में यहाँ पे बनाना लीफ पे हमको ये सर्व किया गया है। और अब मैं आपको ये मलाबार पराठा चिकन चेट्टीनाड ग्रेवी के साथ खा के आपको बताता हूँ यहाँ पे टेस्ट करके। फुल ऑफ फ्लेवर्स, काफ़ी वार्म और स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्लेवर्स है इसके। थोड़ा स्पाइसी भी है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी नहीं है बट थोड़ा स्पाइसी ज़रूर है। चिकन जो लेग पीस है ये खाता हूँ मैं। सॉफ्ट, टेंडर, जूसी एंड फुल ऑफ फ्लेवर्स। तो जब तक मैं डिश को ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ तब तक आप वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिए और चैनल पर नए हो तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, क्योंकि इसके बाद और एक कमाल की डिश आने वाली है। नेक्स्ट वी हैव हियर लेमन सेवई। सो चिकन तो खा लिया हम लोग ने पेट भर के, एंड अब राइस की बारी है। जो लेमन सेवई है ये राइस से बना हुआ है बेसिकली। एंड लुक एट द प्रेजेंटेशन अगेन, सो अमेजिंग। सर्व्ड ऑन अ बनाना लीफ जस्ट लाइक द ट्रेडिशनल वे। और यहाँ पे कोकोनट चटनी है और उसी के साथ यहाँ पे है क्रंची राइस पापड़। इसको भी खाएंगे हम साथ में। सो लेट मी टेस्ट दिस। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पीनट्स भी हैं, सो आई एम श्योर द टेस्ट इज गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग। वेरी लाइट लेमन है, माइल्ड फ्लेवर्स है, वेरी नाइस। एंड लेट मी ट्राई द पापड़ ऑल्सो। वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग डिश, कभी भी खा सकते हैं इसको, मज़ा आ गया खा के। Done with our main course and snacks, and now it's time to enjoy our lovely sweet little desserts. Basically we have over here Sakarai Panyaram. So basically ये छोटे छोटे से balls है which are made out of rice and urad dal and they are dipped in jaggery. So completely healthy dessert खा रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे। No मैदा, no refined sugar. This is jaggery and rice and urad dal. And again it has been served on a banana leaf. So try करते हैं इसको। It's hot, very soft, tender, बाहर से juicy है because of the jaggery and mildly sweet. It's not over sweet. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा आपको कि एक बाइट खा के too much of sweet. It's balanced and very well prepared. Your visit to Chettinad Tiffin is incomplete without the Kumbakonam filter coffee. Here we have the special coffee served in tabara, which is the traditional vessel, and इसको यहाँ पे pour करेंगे और फिर हम इसको पी के आपको बताएंगे। So ये जो coffee है, again it is a healthy coffee because इसमें sugar नहीं है। Jaggery has been used as a sugar alternative. और अगर आप वीगन हो तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है वीगन कॉफ़ी भी अवेलेबल है, जिसमें बेसिकली यूज़ किया गया है ओट मिल्क। सो लेट मी ट्राई दिस वन ऑल्सो। लेट्स पोर इट हियर अगेन तबारा में। तो पहले वीगन वाली ट्राई करके देखते हैं। नॉट वेरी डिफरेंट, कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट है, थोड़ा सा ऑब्वियसली अलग तो रहेगा ही, बट अगेन इट्स वेरी गुड एंड यू मस्ट ट्राई दिस ऑल्टरनेटिव। नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी तो आप सब जगह पीते ही हो। अगर आप आ रहे हो चेट्टीनाड टिफिन तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई करो द वीगन फिल्टर कॉफ़ी ओवर हियर। और अब ट्राई करते हैं नॉर्मल हमारी जो कुंभकोनम फिल्टर कॉफ़ी। this one is really good. I like the traditional style and it's really refreshing and amazing. Here we have the owners of the outlet, Shri and Bhushan. Thank you so much for having us here. It was an amazing experience at Chettinad Tiffin.
Pleasure having you.
Yeah, glad you stopped by.
And thank you for running me through the menu also because इतने सारे dishes थे, इतने सारे variety थे. I was confused क्या खाओ क्या नहीं खाओ कैसा experience रहेगा. पता नहीं non-veg अच्छा रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, but it was a great experience and I definitely recommend visiting this place. So हर एक restaurant का एक USP होता है. So what is the USP of Chettinad Tiffin?
Okay, so as you know, South Indian food mein non-veg is not really considered as something which people go for or people even know about. So for me personally, I wanted to bring the South Indian non-vegetarian food to Mumbai in a very accessible manner, in a family diner environment where you can find something for everyone. So we have vegetarian dishes as well as non-vegetarian dishes, and we have two separate kitchens for the both, so you can come here and dine without any worries. And as for our specialities, we have the Kottu Curry dosa and we have the chicken chettinad, which I personally recommend a lot. And if you're not so much of a chicken person, then we also have the egg dosa, which is again one of my personal favorites, and I would recommend it to everyone. It is a spiced egg, and you have your crispy dosa, and same goes for your chicken and your dosa or your paratha. It's spicy, tender, juicy, and you have the crispy accompaniment, which is just perfect. So if you drop by here, definitely check out these dishes if you are a fan of South Indian food, and especially non-vegetarian South Indian food. Again, we source all of our spices, all of our recipes straight from South, from my hometown in near Madurai. So it is 100% authentic. You will not get an experience like this in any other place in Mumbai.
Sure about it after having the meal over here. Pooja, I would like to ask you, which is one dish which is the top seller or the most selling dish out here?
Okay, so there are many actually, but to talk about a few, one is the non-vegetarian that we call it Chettinad chicken. So
the one which we had
you
today.
had today.
Wow, that was amazing.
So that is something which people ask for, when they call, because Chettinad is especially known for its non-vegetarian food, especially the Chettinad chicken. So that is what people ask for when they come.
Okay.
With
So
that intent.
all the viewers who are watching this, if you are coming or dropping down to Chettinad Tiffin, do try out the Chettinad chicken out here.
And another must try is you must have a filter coffee before you leave or the minute you come, because it is the perfect start and finish to every meal.
Actually, I would like to ask you, what is the concept of Chettinad Tiffin?
Okay, so again, South Indian food mein non-vegetarian is specifically seen in a mess. There are two small messes in Madurai which are very very famous. You can look them up on the internet, and it is a personal favorite of mine. So every time I travel south, I ensure that I go there and try the dishes over there. Every time we get something new, and I just felt the need to introduce this to more people. It felt like I was keeping a little secret, and I wanted to bring it to the people of Mumbai. So now we have created this brand called Chettinad Tiffin to bring those dishes to you. Either you can come here, enjoy it in our little cafe, or you can always order them at home and try them out. But you must try these because I feel like I've been hiding something away from you people, and finally it's time for all of you to try it and savor the dishes. And you might think that, okay, it's just a chicken gravy, what's so special about it? So our chicken gravy actually is the chicken chettinad masala, has 16 spices just in the gravy. So just thinking about the complexity and the flavors and the spices that go into the dish, you will not find anything like this anywhere else. And we have brought the full heritage of South India to a small little outlet in Mumbai. So as you know, North Indian dishes are associated with chicken, not really South Indian dishes. But these traders were originally vegetarian and picked up, the taste for North Indian, I would say, for meat-based foods on their travels. And along with that and their spices, the combination came together, and we have Chettinad chicken and the Kottu Curry masala and all these small things which you won't find anywhere in Mumbai or in the north for that matter. So I would definitely suggest that you come out and check out these things or order them to your home at your convenience.
You all must be wondering about the location of this outlet. So this outlet is located in the heart of Powai, and even if you cannot drop into Powai, you can get the food delivered at your home. Mr. Bhushan will let us know about the hospitality and about the food deliveries.
Okay. So this is something which is very close to my heart. So when it comes to hospitality, I mean, I've been born and brought up in such an environment where customer or guest, so we don't call it customer, we call it guest.
So the concept of Atithi Devo Bhava is being
Yes.
followed at Chettinad Tiffin.
Correct. Atithi Devo Bhava. So like my corporate experience, so we have learned the phrase Atithi Devo Bhava. So we want to, as actual, want to do it from here, where the customer doesn't feel like a customer, he's just buying something, but he has an experience where he's been served, you know, like he goes to a family friend,
Right.
and he's been treated out there. So that is what we wanted to create from this particular outlet, and that is what we are trying to do.
We could definitely feel that when we were dining out here. So that's amazing, and please let our viewers know about the delivery as well.
Okay, for the delivery part, we have our own ordering apps where they can order directly and they can save on their bills, they get more discounts from our side. So that is one. We are also there on Swiggy and Zomato, so they can order via Swiggy and Zomato. We start at 7:30 in the morning and we are up till 10 o'clock in the night.
And as for saving bigger and also building a better relationship with us as a brand, so we focus a lot on giving you the best quality and at a better price. As you can see with our packaging as well, it is all cardboard, eco-friendly, and it is ventilated. So even if you order your dosas or your vadas at home, you're going to get them crisp and fresh as if you were having them at our outlet.
Wow, that's so thoughtful of you guys. इतना कुछ सोचा है इन्होंने आप लोगों के लिए कि फूड एकदम प्रॉपर वे में आप तक पहुंचे, तो डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट ऑर्डर फ्रॉम चेट्टीनाड टिफिन. चेट्टीनाड टिफिन पवई में बहुत ही पीसफुल लोकेशन पे लोकेटेड है. सो लोकेशन के कंप्लीट डिटेल्स आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे along with the contact number. So that's it guys from this amazing episode.
So please come over and let us serve you at Chettinad Tiffin, where you can experience the heritage tiffin with fun.